The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. And it goes like, you could save me from my life.
everybody? This is Dale. I'm just hyped to get the first video out. Thank you for making it this far. If you are watching me right now, if you can like and subscribe to the new channel, that'd be awesome. The name of my business is M&D Valley Auto. I went on it with a friend, and we're opening up a used car dealership. So there's a lot of new stuff in the works. It's been a hectic time in my life, but it's super exciting, and I'm just super happy that people are even tuning in to watch my footage. I did this all myself in terms of video recording, but I want to bring a cameraman in to help me out so we can get some better angles, but I figured this was good enough to put out for the first video. Our Facebook will be located in the description, so if you want to book an appointment with us, if you're from the 315, Mohawk Valley, upstate New York, bring it down. I can assure you we are going to do a great job on your vehicle. So I've dealt with a whole bunch of different things, as you can see in this video, just cigarette stains, what I don't even know, coffee stains, whatever else, but thank you guys for tuning in, and until next time, see you guys. Thank you.